Hey folks, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today we're gonna, pan and sear duck breast. We're gonna make some duck fat potatoes with some asparagus, and we're gonna make an orange sauce. That's next on Cooking with Corey. Stick around, watch this recipe turn out. All right, let's do our ingredients. We got some honey, we got some cognac, we got some shallot, garlic, asparagus, oranges, some baby potatoes. It's got these nice little, there's a different medley of blue, rose, and regular. Soy sauce, 2 duck breasts, ginger. Hey, let's make this all come together to make a delicious dish next. All right, everybody. Just gonna go over what Chop Bad's gonna go through our medley of potatoes here. We got some blue or purple, you want to call, some rose, and some regular down there. I just have those. Asparagus, I'll probably just cut those into thirds like this on a bias. We will mince shallot, garlic, and ginger. And while you guys were not here, I was working on those 3 oranges. And out of the 3 oranges, I got 2 tablespoons worth of zest out of them. And about a cup of juice out of the 3 fresh oranges. And that's going to depend on the size of your orange. But I just wanted to give you amounts of what I'm going to put into the sauce here in a bit. Hey, talking about it next. All right, folks, we got our duck breast, and one thing you got to do with the fat side of your duck breast is score it. So you want to just get through the fat. You don't want to get into the meat part of the breast. So I choke up on my knife a little bit when I do this. So you just want to go right through, but not get into the meat. Like so here. I'll show you. See if we did a good job. See how that is? See that? Right, and you turn this other way, and we're gonna go like this, like this, like this, like this, and like so. Oh, I nicked it. See, right there, that's not what you wanna do. Actually, I didn't nick it, I just got through it. I'm gonna show you on this one what you don't wanna do. You don't wanna be doing this. I'm gonna show you. Don't be going all the way through that your knife is going through the meat like that. That's not what you want. You want all that. All right. Looking good. Let's get this in the pan next. All right, time to get our duck breasts going. What I did here was I salt and peppered them right after I scored them. So they've been sitting around probably, I don't know, 7-10 minutes with the pepper on them and salt on them. And I lightly oiled this pan and then ran a paper towel through it. You don't need no oil because obviously our fat is going to leach out of our duck skin here. So go in like that. And if you wanted, you could take this skin off here and this skin and this skin and this skin off there. I don't really find that it does a lot of problems for me, so I just leave it. But we will, while we're doing that, give it some salt, coats of salt on that side, and obviously some fresh cracked pepper. And we're gonna let this go over a medium-low heat, and we're not gonna worry about this for at least 6 minutes. As you can see, look at all that fat that's already come out of it. It's been like 2 minutes. That's all duck fat deliciousness, which is going to go into our potatoes here shortly. And that's going to go into a ripping hot oven, 475 to 500 convection if you got it. That's going to make some delicious potatoes. But hey, we're just going to keep going like this for now. All right, we're working well here. And our duck breasts are cooking. Look at the color on that. Look at the color on that. I mean, come on. Wonderful. All right, we'll flip them over now. And what we're going to do quick. We're going to get our potatoes going because, that's going to take a bit. So I'm going to Put our board on here quick. We're going to add our potatoes on here quick. And then we're going to steal some of that duck fat off of there, like so. Excellent. What we're going to do is add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And I'm going to give it a toss, like so. And this is going to go to the screaming hot oven, 475, 500 convection, as high as you can get it. Should be done when we're ready to plate. Our duck breasts are looking delicious. Cooking on the other side are looking wonderful. We've rendered all the fat out of there. Obviously just finished working on our potatoes here. And like I said, these are going into that screaming hot oven. And I'm going to throw those in there for 10 minutes, and I'm going to throw the asparagus on it. We'll be able to build the sauce. We'll pull these in probably about 2 minutes. Get your potatoes in the oven now. All right, here's what's left in our pan. We got some duck fat. I did drain some off, so we just got the little bit left in the bottom. I did add my asparagus to my potatoes that are roasting in duck fat in the oven. At 10 minutes, I added the asparagus, so good to go. Our duck breast is over here resting. So we need to get going on what we're doing. So we're gonna add some shallot, our garlic, and our ginger to that mix. Yeah. And it's gotta reduce, so we just gotta get those flavors melded together here a little bit. There we go. Get that fond off the bottom. That's all going into our sauce. Which is orange sauce. All good and delicious. We're gonna pull this off the heat. We're gonna add a 1/4 cup of cognac to that. Woohoo! Yeah! We got fire going. Yes, we do. All right, with the glaze in there, add our 1 cup of orange juice to that. Turn up the heat because we do want to start boiling this down. We're going to add, let's say, 1/3 cup of soy sauce to that mix. We're going to add in our lemon zest to the mix. Oh yeah. All right, let's get this all in there. And just to finish it off, 1/4 cup of honey. And mine is crystallized, so, but it'll be fine when it gets in there. There we go. All right. And what I tell you not to do, never, ever, ever, ever. I know this from personal experience. Try to reduce orange juice and think it's going to taste like orange juice. It doesn't. I did that in culinary school. It was one of the worst experiences of my life. It was the most bitter, grossest thing I've ever ate, ever. So don't do that. You always got to have food. Let's do it. Anyway, just reduce. We'll show you when we get close. All right, we are really close. We got it right here. It's actually ready. So as you can see, we're going to pull this off. And we're saucy now. Look at that. Okay. All right, that's coming off the heat. We're ready to plate. All right, let's start plating this bad boy up. Obviously, pick with clean hands. There's our duck breast, one of them. We're gonna slice it on the bias here. Like so. And I don't know if you can see it, but it's a good medium. All right, we'll put him over there for now. Put him down here. Yeah, we'll plate this up. Got a plate. Got our duck fat potatoes and asparagus, which will go on our plate like so. Heck yeah, turned out great. Tastes absolutely delicious. We'll take our duck breast And we'll put them like so. Turned out great. Turned out really good. All right. We will add our delicious orange cognac sauce with ginger and garlic and all that deliciousness right there. All right, beautiful. And that's our dish, guys. That's our dish for the week. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Try to make it. I mean, it's really, really that easy. It's a really easy dish to make. It's not hard to make, that's for sure. So make it yourself, enjoy it, and tell me what you think. You know, if you like this dish, tweak this dish. I thought about putting a little bit of heat in it. I didn't do it, but there we got it. That's our dish, and I think it turned out great. Got a good cook on that duck. You know, if you'd like a little less rare done, go ahead. Cook it a little less or cook it a little more. We got a good medium on that. There you go. Hey, I'd like to thank you for stopping by Cooking with Corey, watching this delicious duck breast and duck fat potatoes with asparagus come to fruition. I appreciate it. Thank you all. We'll see you next week.